Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I got a few things here. A mail call that I've had for a little while. It's from Nathan 4071. Nathan sells ferro rods, all different shapes and sizes. He has sent me 3 of his hexagon ferro rods, a couple of square ones, and the big bad mamma jamma, the beast, 1 inch in diameter by 6 inches long, which I'm going to make a handle for it in just a few minutes. And I'm going to use I got a special high potency glow in the dark epoxy that I'm going to be using. I just pieced together a striker made for me by my buddy Redneck Renegade that I broke. Sorry Redneck, but I broke mine too, so ain't no big deal. This stuff is going to be the shit. I put these glow in the dark rings on just in case you were to drop your ferro rod like this here. See, this is the old stuff and this is the new. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's there. It's definitely there. This is really high potent stuff right here. But anyway, I put this glow in the dark ring on my ferro rods and strikers just in case I were to drop it in the night and I could find it easier. This epoxy, just by striking this thing, this epoxy can charge from just the sparks from this ferro rod right here. That's pretty amazing. I can't wait to see how this one does. Anyway, I appreciate it, Nathan. And for Big Nate, I'm going to make us a fire. I'm not going to use these though. I'll set these to the side. I'm going to use my big bad mamma jamma, the beast ferro rod with my handles. I'm not going to be using my knife. This is a knife that I collaborated with Dave from Really Big Monkey to make. I had the design kind of pretty good, and he just perfected it. Perfected it. God, my thumb still hurts. And this wind is horrible. There's some good West Virginia fat wood that the wind just blew out somehow. Good West Virginia fat wood, it's good and potent too. It smells even better than it looks, y'all. It's for you, Nathan. I sure do appreciate it, buddy. Y'all, if you need ferro rods, Nathan 4071. That's the place to go. I think he makes the best in the world. That's the only thing I ever use anymore. All different shapes and sizes. Look there. Oh yeah. Y'all, if you're looking for a good knife, you might want to check out ColoradoBushcraft.com. That's the only place you can get these. But I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all take it easy. I got some things to do. I'm gonna make a handle for my new beast, and I'm going to use my new potent glow in the dark resin for the glow in the dark ring. Anyway, y'all take it easy. I'll see you later.